हम लोग आज समझेंगे वी विल अंडरस्टैंड we will understand how to find the value of sin a plus b. Means we will learn to prove sin a plus b equals to sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Okay, so first of all we will pay attention on this diagram. Actually I have a draw a OPQ, OSP and OR. Okay, and suppose that I draw a line OQ, okay, and also draw line RS. Now I will draw a perpendicular RQ on OQ, RQ on OQ. So this total angle will be 90. Understood? Any problem? Okay, now up now from Q I draw a perpendicular on RS which intersect it at T. And now see that this TQ and OP is parallel. So the angle this one and the angle this one both are alternate interior angle. So if this one is A, so this one will be also A. And now it is 90-degree angle. So and this is A and this is also 90-degree angle. So this part only will be 90 minus A. This one is A, so this one is 90 minus A, and this one is 90, so this one will be also A. Okay, so we should be very clear. This one is A, this one is B, and this one is just A. So this one is A 90 minus A, and this one is already 19. This one is already 19, so this one is A. Okay, and now see. So sin A plus B equals to in the triangle OSR. I am talking about triangle OSR. So sin A plus B equals to A plus B equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is RS, hypotenuse is OR. Here is you are getting the same now, RS by OR. Now see, RS can be written as TS plus TR, TS plus TR, and OR will be remain as it is. Again we will do separate division and write TS by OR and TR by OR. Okay, now TS and QP both are same thing. TS and QP both are parallel, equal. So we can write QP in place of TR and others will be well as usual. Now see QP by OR. So I have written also QP by OR. Just I have done one change in it, that I have multiplied and divided numerator and denominator by OQ. Okay, in the same way TR by OR. I have written here TR by OR, but I have just changed some change. What is this change? This change is that I have multiplied and divided numerator and denominator by RQ. Okay, now see in this triangle in this triangle you find that angle A. So sin A equals to, of course, PQ by OQ. In place of QP by OQ we can write sin A. In the same way QA by OQ by OR. OQ is this one, OR is this one, and this one is beta B. So what is this? QO. Suppose that here is 90 degree, this one is 90 degree. I am talking about this angle, this triangle. In this triangle this one is 90, this one is 90. So this one is hypotenuse, this one is perpendicular. If we are working on the base of beta, so this one is perpendicular because it is opposite to the beta, and this one is hypotenuse because it is opposite to hypotenuse. So here is OQ by OR. That means this is base, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. So base by hypotenuse means cos beta. So this one is cos beta. In the same way, we will understand what is the value of TR by RQ. TR, कहाँ TR? TR, TR by RQ, TR by RQ, TR by RQ. So this one is A. So this one is perpendicular, this one is hypotenuse, this one is base. So here it is TR by RQ, means again cos A हो गया. This one is cos A, and definitely this one will be sin B. Okay. So see here, everything is written here. You can see in the diagram also is given. So write in place of these four things, what we will write? Sin A, cos B, then cos A, then sin B. Okay, and thus we get the formula sin A plus B equals to sin A into cos B and cos A into sin B. Okay, so this is the formula. And now the next one is sin A minus B. In this, what we have to do? All that we have to do is just to replace B plus B with minus B. We will write minus B in place of plus B. See here, this is not one. See here, this one is, I have just replaced B by minus B. So wherever you find B, B, B in sin A plus B, now you will write minus B, minus B, minus B, minus B. So this one will be sin A minus B. Here cos A minus B and cos B, both are same thing. I have already discussed on this matter. So in place of cos minus B, we will write cos B only. But sin minus B से माइनस निकल जाएगा बाहर, यहाँ पर माइनस आ जाएगा. सो वी गेट दिस वन. ठीक है, तो दिस इज sin A plus B and this one is sin A minus B. The only difference between the two is that here there is plus plus, here is minus minus, and everything is same. Now we will understand cos A plus B. Now we will understand cos A plus B. How to find cos A plus B? In the same way, we see that in the triangle ORS, ORS, ORS. So cos A plus B equals to, in the triangle ORS, this is right angle. So this one is hypotenuse. And if you are talking about A plus B, so this one will be perpendicular. And OS is left, so it is base. Okay. So cos A plus B equals to base by hypotenuse. The base is OS, hypotenuse is OR. Okay, so we write OS by OR. Now we can write OS as, what we can write? OS as OP minus SP. See, OS can be written as OP minus SP. So there will be left OS. So right now I have written like this. Now do separate division. So write OP by OR and SP by OR. Again OP and OP, but here I have done some change. In place of SP I have written TQ. SP and TQ, both are same thing, no? SP and TQ. So I have written like this. Now we will do some change. In place of OP by OR, this is also OP by OR. What I have done change, what type of change I have done? I have just multiplied and divided by OQ. Okay. In the same way, TQ by OR, I have just multiplied by RQ and RQ. Multiplied by RQ, divided by RQ. Okay. Is there any problem? Now see what is the value of OP by OQ in the figure. See, you will understand in the next slide. See. Now see what is TQ by RQ. First understand what is OP by OQ. OP by OQ. OP by OQ. This is OP. Where is OP? OP by RQ. OP by RQ. Sorry, OP by OQ. OP by OQ. So if you talk about this triangle, angle is A and the triangle is OPQ. OPQ. though its base is OQ and hypotenuse OQ, so it is obviously cos A. In the same way, we will talk about cos B. So cos B is where? In this triangle, we will talk about this triangle. See this triangle. What is OQ by OR? OQ by OR. And here is base, here is B beta. So this one is perpendicular, this one is base, and since this one is right angle, so its opposite sides will be hypotenuse. So of course it OQ by OR equals to cos B. In the same way, sin A and cos A we have to find, cos B we have to find by the figure, and in place of OP, OQ, this one, we'll write all these things, and thus you can find cos A plus B. And now how will you manage to find the value of cos A minus B? So for that purpose, all that we have to do is just to replace this plus B with minus B, like this. Here this is cos A plus B, and after replacing B by minus B, wherever there is B we will write minus B, wherever there is B we will write minus B, you can see, and thus we can get cos A minus B equals to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Okay. Now see, this is tan A plus B. So obviously we know that tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. So here in place of theta I have written A plus B. So tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. So I have written tan A plus B equals to sin A plus B by cos A plus B. Now we have already studied the formula of sin A plus B equals to sin A into cos B and cos A into sin B. In the same, we have also studied the formula cos A plus B, cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. So written as it is. Now divide numerator and denominator by cos A into cos B. In all terms, in this term we divide, this term is divided by cos A cos B. This term is also divided cos A by cos B. This term, all the four terms are divided by cos A cos B. So write like this. So here you see the cos B cancel, here cos A cancel, here cos A cancel, here nothing is cancel. So here this one cancel, so this one will be tan A. Here cos A cancel, so this one will be tan B. Here everything is cancelled, so there will be 1, and this one can't be cancelled, so sin A by cos A, so tan A, and sin B by cos B, so tan B. So this way we can prove tan A plus B. Suppose that we have to find the value of tan A minus B. Here it will be minus. Then how will we do? So again we will do the same process. We will replace plus B with minus B. See, if we get tan A plus B value, so what will we do? We will just replace B by minus B. Wherever there is B, we will write minus B. Here is plus B, we will write minus B. Here is plus B, we will write minus B. Okay. So minus will come out. No? This is the formula we have already studied. When tan minus theta, then minus is come out, and we write minus tan theta. So I have written tan A and minus come out, so minus tan B. Again minus come out, so minus plus हो जाएगा यहाँ पर. So this is the result. Tan A minus B equals to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan into tan B. So these are the formulas of sum and difference of two angle in term of sine, cos, tan. We have studied. The next thing we will study in next slide, in next lecture. Okay, next video lecture.